So, ito na lang yung... Okay guys, part 2 kasi naputol yung video ko. Ito guys, yung mga natira na lang is ginger, ayan. Ginger, garlic, sibuyas, whatever. Ginger, garlic, onion. Check ko lang yung tit ko. Yan guys. And guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. Don't forget to click like, comment, share my videos, and click notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos ko. And don't forget also to subscribe my YouTube channel. Kasi road to 500 subscribers na tayo guys. Ayun guys, nakakalungkot na nagulat ako guys, nakat yung video ko, hindi pa naman umabot ng full storage. Nakat agad siya guys. Nakakaloka yung cellphone ko. Sarap sampakin eh. Charot. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video. This is Midjan Podoliver. See you in the next vlog.